Scientific facts mentioned in the Qur'an. For over 1,400 years, the Qur'an has been read as a spiritual guide by billions of people. But beyond its spiritual teachings, many readers have noticed something fascinating. Some verses appear to describe natural phenomena that science would only discover centuries later. At a time when humanity had no telescopes, no microscopes, and no satellites, these descriptions encouraged people to observe the world and reflect on creation. Today, let's explore 10 more scientific observations mentioned in the Qur'an that continue to spark discussion between faith and science. 1. The Big Bang and the origin of the universe. Modern cosmology teaches that the universe began with an event known as the Big Bang. According to this theory, the entire universe once existed as a single dense point before expanding outward. Interestingly, the Qur'an states, "Have those who disbelieved not considered that the heavens and the earth were once a joined entity, and we separated them?" This description of the heavens and earth being joined and then separated closely resembles what modern science describes about the early universe. This field of study, known as cosmology, continues to explore how the universe began and how it evolves. 2. The protective atmosphere. Earth's atmosphere protects life from harmful radiation and burning meteors. Without it, life as we know it would not exist. This is studied in atmospheric science. The Qur'an refers to the sky as a protected ceiling. Modern science now confirms that the atmosphere shields the planet from deadly solar radiation and regulates temperature, making Earth habitable. 3. The orbits of celestial bodies. The sun, moon, and planets move in precise paths through space. This motion is fundamental to astronomy. The Qur'an states, "Each is swimming in an orbit." Today we know that planets orbit stars, moons orbit planets, and even galaxies move through space in vast cosmic patterns. 4. Iron sent down to Earth. Iron is essential for human life and civilization. Modern astrophysics shows that iron is formed during supernova explosions of massive stars. These stellar explosions scatter iron across space before it eventually becomes part of planets like Earth. This research belongs to the field of astrophysics. The Qur'an interestingly states, "And we sent down iron, in which there is great strength and benefit for mankind." Many scholars interpret this as referring to iron originating beyond Earth. 5. Fingerprints are unique. Today, fingerprint analysis is a cornerstone of forensic science. No two humans have identical fingerprints. Yet the Qur'an makes a remarkable statement when describing resurrection. Yes, we are able to even reconstruct his fingertips. This detail highlights the uniqueness of the human fingerprint, something science would only formally recognize centuries later. 6. Pain receptors in the skin. Modern medicine understands that pain is sensed through specialized nerve receptors located in the skin. This is studied in neuroscience. The Qur'an describes that when skin is destroyed, it will be replaced so that pain can continue to be felt. This aligns with modern medical understanding that pain sensation is closely tied to the skin. 7. Internal waves in the deep ocean. Deep within the ocean, scientists have discovered waves that occur beneath the surface. These are called internal waves, studied in oceanography. They occur between layers of water with different densities. The Qur'an describes layers of darkness in a deep sea, with waves above waves and clouds above that. Such imagery closely resembles the layered environment scientists have discovered in the deep ocean. 8. The water cycle. The movement of water through evaporation, condensation, and rainfall is known as the water cycle. It is a fundamental concept in hydrology. The Qur'an repeatedly describes winds carrying clouds, clouds forming rain, and water returning to the earth to revive it. Today, we know this is part of a continuous global system that sustains life on the planet. 9. Barriers between seas. Scientists have discovered that when two large bodies of water meet, differences in temperature, salinity, and density can create boundaries where the waters mix slowly. This phenomenon is studied in oceanography. The Qur'an describes two bodies of water meeting but having a barrier between them. Examples of this phenomenon can be observed where rivers meet oceans or where seas with different salinity levels meet. 10. Every living thing made from water. Modern biology teaches that water is essential for life. Cells, the building blocks of living organisms, are largely composed of water. In fact, many scientists believe life on Earth began in water. The Qur'an states, "We made from water every living thing." A simple statement, yet remarkably aligned with what biology teaches today.